Jake just got back from the scrapyard with this load of C-channel, and plan is to make a gin pole for the back of that so that we can lift that motor into the boat. We're going to run that 2-to-1 with a snatch block, so I mean it'll be theoretically our picking capacity should be about 24,000 pounds, but not that we're ever going to pick that much with it. And then just threw these in the truck, some more 3-inch pipe for boat exhaust.
Nice.
And you paid a whopping $150 for all the steel. That's insane. That's great.
Go under.
Yep. There you go.
19 foot 3 inches.
Alright, 19.3. So our goal is to get 12 foot. So we got to do some geometry. So your previous torch was just trashed, unfortunately, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So upgraded that. This has better specs, right, Jake?
Yeah, it's rated for more amps. I need
80 amps. So the other one, what is this for, Jake? Is this for, this is the torch controller?
It just is the output
Okay.
to turn the plasma cutter to turn on.
Okay, got it. So the signal wire, it used to be routed through the actual cable in a weird way. But the plan is to route this on the back side of the female plug in the plasma cutter, correct? Goes to one of the pins, the grounding pins for the cone. So how do we do that on this torch? How do we know which? I have to open this one up too. The red and the blue are the grounding pins on this, and I didn't know that in the other torch head they separated the grounding pins. I'm assuming they inject the current from a transformer to trigger the pilot arc, because it did say on the thing, it said this was a non-pilot arc torch, non-high frequency start. So that's the secret to that whole question.
I had these connected. For whatever reason, I had these two. I thought I had the two wires coming out of this junction coming into these, coming from the switch. But instead, I had the two switch wires connected. That's why when I turned the machine on, it was it was turning the torch on. And I just,
So now you can run.
Just totally look past it.
Yep.
Now, turn the. Oh, did the computers die? What a piece. Trackpad's broken.
What?
It's dead. We'll have to plug it in.
Crap.
But I can still. We just fired it with the plasma or fire control software, and I can still fire it with the torch. So anyway, that's exciting.
That is exciting. All right, so we'll get that
Put this back together.
fixed up. Yep.
Some wiring. Ready? The plasma cutter feeds raw voltage in here. This circuit, I'm assuming, doesn't do anything because these two don't cross.
You can see the
You have
traces.
an upper circuit and a lower circuit. And the lower circuit is completely disconnected at this plug. It broke off during,
Transit.
I guess. Yeah.
Let's say. Need some like surgical pliers or something.
All right.
You got, yeah, there you go. That is a serious torch.
Didn't melt in, did it?
Dang.
Fixed.
Yeah. Is the back loose too, though?
Yes.
We gotta do that one too.
Yes.
Okay. Just careful. I'm afraid we're gonna melt traces. Dang. No.
Shoot. Take this.
Okay. Do my best.
Somehow it'll retain its heat a little longer.
Right.
You ready? These are shitty screwdrivers.
Okay, here we go. Oh shit. Melt, damn it. Okay, well, I mean, ball. We need like flux. Ooh. Damn.
Well, it's there now.
Right.
Can we flux that?
Do we have flux?
Go back there. I'm sure there's flux back there.
My best. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Freaking burn me. How is it not melting? Here you go. Yeah, all right. Let's see what we get here. It seems
It's not even warm. I mean,
sturdy.
I think it's fixed.
Damn. All right.
Let's try it.
Here we go. Ready?
Go for it.
Work? Man. So,
Test it. Test it again.
here we go. Complete. That's good. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
One. Ready?
Yeah.
Two. And three.
Fixed.
All right. That was a pain in the butt.
Do you have the file?
I can send it to myself right now. Great.
Far corner this time.
Okay. Got the file loaded up. Okay, don't do it yet. Okay.
Sight me in over there?
You want it right on the corner?
Pretty much.
Yeah, I'd say that's good. Give me a heads up before you do it.
I think we're ready to do a test cut.
Okay,
You ready?
I'm ready.
I don't know why it's
Beveled.
I mean, it's a good surface finish. It's smooth cut. It just was having this problem with the other torch. I was hoping this torch would take care of that. 6 inches a minute, 2-second pierce delay. Hopefully it works. Let me go over and clean the slag off. It's still beveled, but it's so much better than it was.
We'll cut the inside circle. Well, cut the inside circle 11 inches. Yeah. Cut the inside. Kitty wants to go outside. Okay, so we got a 18.5 inch outside circle and an 11 inch inside circle. A 1/8 inch radius lead in, 0.19 lead in length, and Cummins
spelled right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yep. Cummins.
Cool.
And 2 second delay. Cut height. 0.6. That's good. Pierce height 0.15. Pretty close to what? Retract 1 inch, yeah. THC on. Should be good to go. Alright.
Send it to me.
And I'll shoot that over to you.
Alright. We got smart and started using the fume extractor.
Here, catch!
Yeah,
Frisbee. Look at the draw stayed on the table. They don't get much better than that.
that's amazing. Wow, that's a really good cut too.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful. This thing is so cool. This thing is amazing. You alright?
This dross comes off easy. It's not terrible, I guess. I was worried the bevel was going to be worse. Yeah, I don't know, it's 10 degrees probably in some spots. Oh! not bad. So, this bolts the engine, this bolts the transmission, and then once the once the input shaft and the transmission is slid into the torque dampener plate, which is going to be indicated to the flex plate because we're not running flywheel, it'll center these. It'll center these close enough, because ultimately what the plan is, the dampener plate's going to be indicated to the flywheel, and from there we'll probably put a dial indicator on that. And I'm going to drill oversized holes for the bell housing, and we'll indicate this adapter plate to the block, or to the bell housing, which will make sure that when the transmission, the 1/4-inch lip slides into this 8 1/4 hole.
8.28.
That's what we cut it at, just to compensate for the kerf width, but it should be almost damn near 1.25 inches. Yeah, it's 1.25 inches, or 8 1/4.
8 1/4.
Sorry, I'm half drunk. Take this out of the car and it should slide right on the snout of the transmission.
Sweet.
And then these are just going to get a nice big bead of weld. Any better than that?
That's sweet.
That just sits in there perfect. I don't know, maybe 10 thou. Run out and see how it fits this way.
Same.
Yeah, it's not bad.
That's really awesome.
Yep. So now what we gotta do, should be 3/8 fasteners. We gotta mark all our holes.
Yep.
And get those drilled, tapped, and there you go. Got an adapter plate.
Yeah. Cool. Let's do it. That's gonna be about impossible over here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut the end of the pencil off.
Yeah.
Well, once we get the 2 holes drilled and tapped,
Okay. Yeah, that's fair.
I need to center punch these.
Here you go. That should do her.
Is it the center punch?
Looks like it. Wish I had some hearing protection.
First of all, what's set? Before we do this.
Sounds cool.
Yeah. It's a 1/2 inch hole. So a 3/8 fastener would be good. It'll give us some room to wiggle.
Nice. Use a smaller chuck.
Yeah.
Woo!
Thanks for catching that.
Yep. I thought I saw another smaller chuck up here. Crazy? No, it must be crazy. Right here. There we go. Sweet. Yeah, I caught that. I jammed my ring
he went ahead at 5/16 right here. I bet $10 he did. Whatever.
Can you bring the table up?
It's this. Nice. It's going the right way? Yeah.
Yep.
Just watch your freaking
Because I don't know.
knuckles.
It's good. It's good where it is. It's good.
Okay. I don't have my glasses. I'll just safety screen.
Okay. Good question. Got it? No. It's not quite there. There we go. Beautiful. Got it? Yep. Oh, look at that. Nice. Dang, almost.
Oh yeah, we got tons of clearance. 9/16 stuff. I mean, 9/16. It's a 3/8 fastener.
Maybe it's just so. Oh, it's
It's
just so
rusted.
rusted. That's why I couldn't get it on.
They're just mock-up bolts.
I know.
Look at that. Even the right length.
Yeah, that's incredible.
Not that it matters, but
Right.
woo! She's coming together. Man, don't get much better than that, does it?
No. Almost lost your finger, but it was worth it. Got it? Here. Make sure you... It's hard with that. You gotta get it up this way too.
No. You should have room. I was able to do it, unless it's different over here.
It's different, Jake. There we go. I got it. Okay. And this one is very, very tight. Shoot, we actually have to reduce.
Break some more off the pencil.
Yeah.
There, redo the other ones.
I will.
Got me to sharpen that up for you?
Sure. All right.
You get it good?
I think we got it. I think. We'll find out, huh?
good.
Is there one more? No. There is, it's just a dummy. Maybe it's for a dowel or something, indicator dowel? I don't know.
Could be. Where is that
Punch? Whoopsie. Looks good.
So once we get our holes lined, or once we get our holes on the engine block figured out where they're going to place, we'll mark them, we'll drill them,
Yeah.
we'll bolt this to the engine, and then we'll slide
Index it with the shaft.
this shaft into
The dampener plate.
dampener.
I guess
Yeah.
it's gonna be sweet.
We are. Let me get this indicated here.
The dampener plate.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna drill into the flex plate, align it, correct?
Correct. Damn, I'm having a rough time getting a good
Place to indicate from.
base. Yeah.
From whence to indicate.
Different route here. Just gonna check a run out. I'm not expecting anything crazy, precise. Yeah, we're like 5 thou right now. 7 thou. At 30, there's our low. This indicator loves this. 7s are high. Yeah, I would feel comfortable putting that on right now and running it. We're going to get it better, but ultimately, I mean, it's only going to be as accurate as the bolts and the holes that are holding it. So let's figure out what drill bit fits in here the best.
Okay.
Let's figure that. There. Yeah, it seems like a good clocking. moving, isn't it?
Yep.
Excuse. That kind of sucks. It doesn't really work so well. I think maybe what I'll do instead.
Say what?
Oh, I think I've got a better idea.
Oh, you need the T-nut to clamp it?
Something like that. If I can get my brain working here. I'm unhappy. Pretty damn unlikely, I'm gonna say. Lock that in.
too, for now. See if it lines up. Lines up perfectly. That's how it's done. Yeah, really good. Really, really, really good. Professional. You know it's professional because we indicated the holes with a pencil that we chopped off in a bandsaw. Yeah. Pretty sweet.
$3,000 of hell yeah sitting on the table there.
Oops. Yeah, that fits really good too. We just got to get a shorter one and we'll be good for that.